Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Apexsalesforcetutorials.com. Please support us by clicking the bell icon and subscribe button, and also share the YouTube channel with your fellow mates and colleagues who are interested in Salesforce technology and going more forward within this. In today's video, we'll be discussing about Salesforce LWC interview questions, which are for freshers. These questions are basically based on fundamental concepts of Salesforce, and we'll provide detailed explanations for each question to help you understand them better. So let's get started with it. Our very first question is, what are the features of Salesforce? Salesforce offers a wide range of features that streamline various aspects of business operations. For instance, Salesforce facilitates contact management by providing comprehensive customer data and interaction history. Additionally, features like opportunity management, quote management, and lead management help in efficiently managing sales processes. For example, the opportunity management features allow users to track the progress of deals through different stages, while quote management enables the creation and tracking of quotes for products or services. Salesforce also offers mobility through its mobile app, allowing users to access CRM data anytime or anywhere. Furthermore, features like workflow and approvals like file sync and share, dynamic dashboards, custom reports, and sales forecasting enhance productivity and decision making. Our second question is, what is an object in Salesforce? In Salesforce, objects are database tables used to store organizational data. There are two types of objects, standard objects and custom objects. Standard objects such as contacts, accounts, leads, and opportunities are provided by the Salesforce platform and cater to business processes. On the other hand, custom objects are created by developers to meet specific business requirements. For example, custom objects can be created to store project details and customer feedback. Custom objects allow for the customization of fields and relationships and user interface elements to align with unique business processes. Our third question is, what is meant by an app in Salesforce? In Salesforce, an app is a logical container that organizes and presents various functionalities and data tailored to specify business needs. An app can include a collection of custom and standard tabs, as well as custom objects, reports, and dashboards. Salesforce allows users to customize existing apps or create new ones by combining different components to suit their requirements. For example, a sales app may include tabs for accounts, contacts, opportunities, and reports, providing sales representatives with easy access to relevant data and tools for their daily activities. Our fourth question is, explain different types of apps we can use in Salesforce. This can be a follow-up question from our third question. The answer for this is, Salesforce offers two main types of apps, which are custom apps and console apps. Custom apps are tailored to meet specific business requirements and can include combination of custom and standard tabs, objects, and functionalities. These apps are widely used across various industries to streamline business processes and enhance productivity. Our second is console apps, on the other hand, are designed for client service businesses, where the focus is on efficiently managing customer interactions and resolving issues. While custom apps are more versatile and commonly used, console apps are specialized for specific use cases such as customer support or help desk operations. Our fifth question is, what is sharing rule? This is an important type of rule because mostly for sharing settings and all, this can also be asked in the interviews. In Salesforce, sharing rules are used to grant access to records for users who do not have access based on the organization-wide sharing settings. Sharing rules can be defined to provide access to records based on criteria such as public groups, roles, or territories. For example, a sharing rule can be created to grant read-only access to certain leads based on their region or industry. Sharing rules help organizations ensure that users have appropriate access to relevant records while maintaining data security and privacy. Our sixth question is, what is an audit trail in Salesforce? The audit trail in Salesforce is a feature that tracks changes made to data by users and administrators within the organization. It provides a detailed log of modifications, including the data and time of the change, the user who made the change, and the specific fields that were modified. The audit trail helps the organization maintain data integrity and compliance by providing transparency and accountability for data changes. For example, administrators can use the audit trail to review changes made to sensitive data and identify any unauthorized or suspicious activities. Our seventh question is, what is the difference between role and profile? Roles and profiles are both used in Salesforce to control access to data and functionalities, but they serve different purposes. Roles are used to define data visibility for users based on the hierarchy within the organization. For example, users assigned to higher roles may have access to more records than those assigned to lower roles. On the other hand, profiles are used to define the permissions and settings for what users can do in Salesforce. For instance, a profile may specify whether a user can create, edit, or delete records, as well as access certain features or functionalities. While roles primarily impact data visibility, profiles primarily govern user permissions and capabilities. Also, the roles are not mandatory in Salesforce to be assigned for the user, but profiles are mandatory to be assigned for the user. Our eighth question is, what is master detail relationship in Salesforce? This is one of the important relationships in Salesforce, so be prepared for this type of questions in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a master detail relationship is a type of relationship between two objects where the master object controls the behavior of the detail object or the child object. When a master detail relationship is established between two objects, the detail records are considered as the subordinate to the master records or child as the child of the master record, and their existence depends on the master records. For example, if in a master detail relationship between an account and its related contacts, deleting the account record will also delete all the associated contact records. Master detail relationships also allow for cascading behavior, such as the roll-up summary fields, which aggregate data from related detail records onto the master record. Our ninth question is, what is a dashboard in Salesforce? A dashboard in Salesforce is a visual representation of data from reports, providing users with a snapshot, key metrics, and performance indicators. Dashboard consists of components such as charts, tables, and gauges that display data in various formats. Users can customize dashboards to focus on specific metrics or areas of interest, and dashboards can be shared with other users or groups within the organization. For example, a sales dashboard may include charts showing pipeline revenue, win rates, and top opportunities, allowing sales manager to monitor team performance and track progress towards the targets. Our 10th and last question is, what do you understand by workflow in Salesforce? In Salesforce, workflow is a feature that allows users to automate standard internal procedures and processes to save time and improve efficiency. Workflow rules are defined based on criteria and actions, where the criteria determine when the workflow rule should be triggered, and the actions specify what actions should be taken when the criteria are met. For example, a workflow rule can be created to automatically send an email notification to a sales representative when a new lead is assigned to them. Workflow rules enable organizations to streamline business processes, enforce consistency, and reduce manual effort by automating repetitive tasks and notifications. This concludes our discussion on Salesforce LWC Freshers interview questions. We hope you found the video helpful in understanding the fundamental concepts of Salesforce and preparing for your interviews. If you have any questions on topics you would like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.